Hi friends, my name is Kishore, and in this video I am going to guide you about a error that we usually come face during the deployment of the Node.js application on the server. So let's start. When I deploying my Node.js application on server, I installed Node.js and the packages by running npm install, and when I running npm start, I am receiving this error. Text encoder is not defined. I did lot of research behind this and searched lot of articles and found lot of solutions as well. And all the solutions are described to modify the file inside the Node.js module. And these solutions are working fine, but concern is, what if we again run the npm install, and what if we deploy the same application on different server? It again requires to put that lines of code in a files, right? So this is not a recommended solution. Now I'm going to guide you about how, when this errors comes, and how to resolve that errors. So let's start. So usually this errors is because of the Node.js version compatibility. The version that we are using on server is not compatible with the packages that we used. So let me check my Node.js version. If we check the Node.js version, it is version 10, right? And a package that I use is not compatible with that version. So the solution is upgrade the version of Node to the most suitable version that okay, most suitable version that fulfill our requirement of the packages. So let's start. So let me first install the different version, right? So to install the different version, we use nvm install. Here I would like to install the Node version 16. So it is already installed, so it is showing already installed. Now I'm using version 16, not nvm use v16, right? Now if I check my Node version, it will show Node version 16. Now if we check, Node modules folder is there. Now let's remove that Node modules folder and reinstall it. Correct. Now packages are installed. Now run npm start. You can see the application is running up fine, and there is no text encoder error that we faced before, and with the Node version 10. Correct, this error. So so the permanent solution of that error is to use a uh, recent most recent stable version. I hope you like that video and your issue is resolved by after watching that video. Let me know if the issue is still persist in your installation environment. Thanks.